I've got the biggest thing to hit nylon stockings since nylons right here. Can't tell you about it. Unless you swear on a stack of hosiery boxes to keep it a secret not to tell anyone. Okay? Okay. Berkshire has taken nylons into the space age with Ultrason. For the very first time, a stocking has been created with all the favorite qualities of nylon combined with the comfort of natural fibers. Ultrason are luxuriously soft with extra resiliency to guarantee perfect fit. Let's sneak a peek. And remember that stack of hosiery boxes. These Ultranauts get lovely all the time. Come, take a look.
These new Ultrasons are just the greatest. When I move, they do too. Never out of shape.
Ultrason son tan absorbentes en los días lluviosos en los llanos de España, como abrigados en el tiempo frío.
Niemals fühlte ich so bequem bis zu diesem Tage in Ultrasons. Vilken gudomlig mjukhet! Och Ultrason passar så underbart också.
La la! Vous n'avez jamais appareil. C'est chic, comme d'un Ultrason.
Ultrason is the most advanced stocking known, and only Berkshire has it. But when we first began making nylon stockings for women, they dressed like this, and this, and this. There's been quite a change, hasn't there? And it takes a lot of work to keep ahead with you women and your changes. Let's go see where that work is done. This is our main plant in Reading, Pennsylvania. There are 12 more Berkshire plants scattered throughout the world. At our domestic plants alone, we manufacture over 35 million pairs of stockings each year. In Berkshire's seamless knitting department, which is one of the largest in the country, the machines knit stockings one at a time. An individual stocking contains 1.5 miles of nylon and over 2 million loops. As they emerge from the knitting machines, the stockings are still in nylon's natural color, white. In the full fashion knitting department, each machine knits 30 stockings at a time. From the knitting department, the stockings go to the looping department, if they're seamless, where the toe is closed. If the stockings are full-fashioned, they go to the seaming department, where a slim fashion seam closes the stocking. Berkshire insists on a painstaking examination of each stocking before dyeing it. Even the tiniest flaw will cause a stocking to be discarded. After thorough inspection, the stockings are taken to the dye house to be tinted in carefully chosen colors of the season. In Berkshire's matching room, a sample stocking from each dye lot is carefully matched against the master color sample to be certain that no variations exist. Color stylists working a season in advance have selected the colors after countless discussions with fashion authorities and hundreds of test dyes. Berkshire traditionally has displayed its fashion leadership by offering a wide range of exciting colors. Berkshire's color room, where any type of outside and store lighting can be duplicated, is a unique way of testing colors under every type of lighting. Another inspection takes place when the stockings have been completed to make sure that each one finds a perfect mate. Size, length, and color are checked, and a second examination is made for any flaws that might have escaped earlier detection. You can't go in there. That's where they finish ultrasons. No one can watch those sound waves at work. But here's something I can show you: the testing lab, where they're proving the wonders of ultrason. Do you know what this little machine is doing? It's giving over 10,000 flexes to a sample ultrason, just as your knee would do. And how about the heel and toe? This machine that never tires walks more in 8 hours than you would in 8 months. Ultrason passed this test with flying colors, just as it did all the other tests. And how about bursting, popping? Ultrason met the enemy head-on. Here, by testing Ultrason fabric per square inch, we found it had no equal. And here, the true test: the difference between the elasticity of nylon and Ultrason. Ultrason has 19% more elasticity than nylon. Ultrason has 24% greater tensile strength. These are the unseen virtues of Ultrason. And now for the visible ones. For the first time, a nylon stocking has a permanent matte finish, not a temporary finish that will come out after a few washings. Ultrason is a really new substance that can never shine. It has 27% less gloss than ordinary nylons. Ultrason's softness has to be touched to be believed. It is caressingly luxurious against your skin for a pampered feeling all day long. More resiliency has given Ultrason the most important quality in stockings: perfect fit. They simply can't stretch out of shape, no matter how active you are. Stockings have never been so flattering to every leg. Ultrason's added absorbency, which exceeds ordinary nylon by 46%, makes them much more comfortable in all weather. They're cooler for summer wear, yet warmer during the winter. And this absorbency is unbelievably soothing to your feet. All these wonderful qualities have never before been seen in a stocking. Ultrason is the most exciting advance in stocking history, and they're exclusive with Berkshire in the United States.
Remember, you've sworn on a stack of hosiery boxes not to tell anyone about Ultrason. Just keep it between me and you and the 100 million who will see Ultrason's great advertising campaign.
Ultrasons give you 4 major advantages which have never before been combined in ordinary nylons. Perfect fit. They shape themselves to fit your legs with every step you take. Softness. The first nylons with the feel and luxury of silk. Comfort. Cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter due to greater absorbency. Matte look. Fashioned right to eliminate permanently the sheen of regular nylon.